Hi everyone and welcome to Defi Daily, the channel where every day we talk about DeFi, going through different analysis, tutorials and news. Today we're going to talk about a method that can bring you up to $900,000 completely for free. And that's just something that you can reach just doing what you are doing every day using different DeFi platforms. Before to start, I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel. All you have to do is just press the subscribe button. If you want to also receive a notification on your device, you have just to press the ring bell button. Please leave me also a thumbs up to help me grow the channel and sustain me in this job. It's just a small action, but really means a lot to me. Remember that all the contents in this channel are just for educational purpose and nothing has to be intended as a financial advice. If you want to invest in anything, that could be great, but remember, do always your own research first. Let's start and let's jump into the topic. As you probably already know, because it was really hyped just a couple of weeks ago, it happened that DYDX, that is one of the DEX that has become really famous after the China ban, because it reached a volume of trades that was even higher than what was happening on Coinbase. We were talking about billions of trading volume just in one day, and it was correlated to what was happening into the China when the cryptos were banned. But what really cares today to us is the fact that DYDX made a major airdrop, and there has been people that received something like $900,000, as you can see from this tweet. And this person, the only thing that has done to receive this amount of dollar with this airdrop was just doing some trade. It was moving, yes, quite a lot of money, because we were talking about trades, each one about $200,000. But what is really interesting to notice is that we have an opportunity that is a hidden opportunity, because we don't know when it will happen and not even where. But what we know that we are in front of a new trend. And the trend is that the different kind of DEX, the different kind of platforms in the DeFi ecosystems are starting to introduce their own token. And if you're wondering why they should add a token to their app, is quite simple, and is connected to the fact that having a token is allowing a certain platform to create, could be just a plan of incentives, just to give some advantage to people that are doing some specific action to reward them, but most of all is related to the governance. Most of them are just governance token. Probably you remember what happened 1 year ago with Uniswap. Even there has been a major airdrop when Uniswap decided to introduce the Uni token as a governance token, just airdropped all of them to the people that were using until that moment the platform. And that was a great opportunity, because all the people that were using the platform has been rewarded with a tons of completely free tokens. So the question that we have to answer right now, in order to be ready to catch the opportunity that we have in front, because as I said before, we don't know which platform will airdrop their tokens, and not even in which moment they will do it. That's unfortunately something that we don't know. We can just try to explore the market and try to understand which platform or which service is more probable to promote an initiative like this one. And let's start to understand which platform could be interesting. Probably the most easiest choice is Arbitrum or Optimism, or all the layer 2 that still don't have their own tokens. it's quite possible that in a near future they can introduce a new token and rewarding people that has been using the different layer 2, because right now not even arbitrum but not even Optimism have their own tokens. So what could be a good idea? It could be just starting to use those kind of layer 2 that are also, both of them are great layer 2 that are offering the opportunity to use platforms with almost zero fee, with also a really fast speed transaction. So it could be also a great opportunity to use in a more efficient way the different platforms, DeFi platforms that we are used to have on Ethereum. So some best practice could be opening different wallet account in order to receive a major amount of airdrop, because remember that most of the time the tokens will go to a specific address account. So if you have more than just one wallet account connected to these specific blockchains, it could be that you will receive more tokens. Not to mention that you can also start transacting using the different dApps that are on this layer 2. And you can also do different moving funds from your wallets, taking advantage from the really low fees. So I know that that's an investment because it requires time and also paying the fees that are needed to move the funds. Yes, maybe just transacting inside the layer 2, that's not so expensive. But on the other side, to start using Arbitrum or Optimism, you need to move your funds from Ethereum or from whatever other blockchain you are using to this kind of layer 2. And obviously this kind of bridge has a cost. That's not a high cost, but obviously you have to take in account before deciding if you want to try to take advantage of this situation, because as I said before, it's just a matter of trying. We don't have any certainty on how it will happen and not even if it will happen. Another great opportunity could be looking to the different dApps like Zapper, that is a dashboard, all the projects that have a really big community and that right now they don't have any kind of decentralized governance. If they don't have it, it could be possible that in the near future they could implement it. So look at which platform doesn't have this kind of governance and this kind of tokens. Could be an opportunity, could be just the most famous Metamask to Zapper or to whatever other platform is doing something into the crypto space. Because in a theoretical point of history, we will see that most of the different platforms, most of the different communities will have their own governance token. And yes, if you will be lucky, if you'll be also proactive, because here it's just a matter of being proactive. We don't know the rules, we don't know how it will happen, we just know that it is possible. So in organizing your day, organizing your routine when you are managing your portfolio and using the different DeFi apps, could be a good idea, also taking some time to take advantage to this different situation. Another kind of platform that could be possible to have a kind of token in the next future could be platforms like a marketplace, like for example Opensea. Opensea is a marketplace that allows you to exchange different NFTs, and right now they don't have any kind of token. It is possible that in the next future they can implement it in order to create some governance, decentralized governance, but also to create some mechanism to reward the people that are using the platform. That's a possibility that you have also to keep in mind. Another type of platform that can introduce its own token is, for example, all the different bridges. We have just seen just a couple of weeks ago, as you can see from this image, that Goodbridge on Avalanche made a major airdrop rewarding all the people that have been using their bridge in the past. So we can expect, or we can say at least that it is possible that in the next future also the different bridges that are on the market right now and they don't have their own token can introduce it in the next few months or maybe years. Nobody knows again when, but we just know that is possible. So let's try to recap and summarize which are the main opportunities, which are the type of platform that we have to keep a really close eye in order to take advantage of this situation. First of all, we have said that the layer 2 like Arbitrum or Optimism could be a good candidate for a major airdrop in the moment when they will introduce their own token. It could be a marketplace like Opensea to reward people that are using the platform. But also could be some major app in the DeFi ecosystem, could be Metamask, could be also Zapper, or whatever app is active and has a big community, because the decentralized autonomous organization could be really the next big trend and the next big opportunity to take, yes, guys, we are talking about free money. The last type of platform that we have to keep an eye is, as I said, all the bridges, because also them could be some great candidate to do a major airdrop. So my advice is keep an eye on all of this kind of platform, and if you have any other idea, any other candidate that could be interested to monitor in order to receive an airdrop, just write me in the comments below, because this is something that really could be the next major and greatest opportunity that the crypto space is offering. Yes, because that's nice finding some gem, it's nice finding the next big ICO, it's nice investing and receiving at an X, but nothing is better than just receive a ton of tokens and a ton of free money. And that's absolutely a possibility, but you have to be prepared, because there is no free meal. Yes, the tokens will be free, but will be free only if you will be proactive in the meantime. So stay focused on what's going on the market, because we could be in front of what will be the next big trend. Guys, as always, if you have any kind of question, just write me in the comments below. Please leave me also a big thumbs up to help me spread the word, reach more people and grow the channel. And I will see you tomorrow with another video. Bye guys.